Hi everyone, in this video we will talk about the flex rent. We will discuss if it is a scam or legit or it is worth trying. So if you have heard about the flex rent app or maybe you just want to know more about it, so I'll show you or tell you what it is. FlexRent is a rent payment service that helps tenants split their monthly rent into smaller, more manageable payments, typically on a bi-weekly or custom schedule. It's designed to provide more financial flexibility for renters who may not receive their income on a monthly basis. In simple words, if you are a person or maybe any other person who gets paid by weekly or maybe on weekly basis and they get really hard on them to manage their rents which are monthly based. So this app helps them split their bill or it gives different plans that helps renters to pay their rent on time. So if you want to try it, you have to just simply go to its website, which is getflex.com. Once you get to its website, this is the first interface that you will see. Here it says that with Flex, you can split your rent into smaller, more manageable payments so you can breathe easier each month. If we talk about its key feature, so the main ones include the split rent into smaller payments and it may cover your full rent upfront to your landlord and then collect smaller payments from you. And sometimes it charges a small monthly fee for the services that it is giving to its audience, and it can also help avoid late fees and evictions by ensuring rent is paid on time. And some services also report on time payments to credit bureaus to help build your credit. So these are the main key features, or you can say the services that they offer. So if you think any one of these services could be helpful for you, so you can give it this platform a try. So benefits of using this platform is that it improves your cash flow, it helps you pay rent on time, and it builds your credit history. It is the platform that can help some people who are struggling financially, students, or maybe some people who have lost their job. So, this is how it all works. It also gives you an example of their services, like if the bill is $1,500, if the rent is 1,500, so the first payment you have to pay $909, and the second payment you have to pay $606, and their membership fee will be $14.99. So if you think this is suitable for you, then you can just simply try it out. So this is what the flex rent tells about itself. But it is really worth trying or worth trusting or not. So if we see their first option, which is a flexible payment options, there are very less platforms that offer the same services. So if someone is really struggling with their financial issues, like they're hard to manage their rents on time, then this is worth trying for once. Also, the flex rent makes sure that your rent is always paid on time by covering rent upfront to your landlord. Also, it helps you in your budgeting, like it break down your rent payment into smaller parts, like it pays the rents from itself, but to you it offers you smaller payments through which you can manage it easily. And also, if you keep using it, your credit points will increase and it will help you for your future payments. But there we also have some of the cons of it. The number one is the monthly fees. Obviously, this platform is not for free. If it is offering you the different services through which you can manage your finances, then obviously it is charging to you. It mainly charge $14.99 a month. So if you think you can pay for that much, you can definitely try it. Although it pays the rent to your landlord and then asks you to pay them into smaller amounts, and you're bound to pay it. If you don't do it, then you could face fees or credit consequences. Also, not all landlords or the property management companies allow this third party services to be in between you and them. And at the last and the most important, that this platform is not a long term financial solution. This is for when you're struggling with financially, you can just simply use this platform for a short time, but if you keep depending on to it, then it will be really hard for you to manage your finances. You also have to pay your rent and you also have to pay this fee of this platform, so you have to keep that in mind. In short, if someone is struggling really hard financially, then it is better to try this platform and get help from this one. Like it will pay your rent and then you can prepay it in smaller amounts. So you can definitely try out this platform. So this was all about this platform FlexRent. We have discussed its key features, its benefits, and also some cons. Now it's up to you. You can try this platform. It is worth trying, but you can also check out different options. And if you find it the right, you can definitely try it out. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment, and thank you so much for watching the video.